In this year, 2025, the Nigerian government allocated 100 billion naira in its 2025 budget for the National Homegrown School Feeding Program. They said they are going to spend 100 billion naira to feed school children. Now, you can verify this on the NigerianEducationNews.com. When you read it, you will understand that there is no specified school they said that they are going to feed. At the time, I started hearing the rumors that this money have been embezzled, that they have not, started feeding children, and the year is running out. After the whole heat of trying to expose them, you know what happened? They started feeding the school children. And guess what? This is the kind of thing they are using to feed the children. And this is not holistic. They just choose one or two schools and look at, they are giving them water to eat semo. How do we get here?
This is heartbreaking.
Now, the question about how we get here is what I want to tell you. You see, sometimes when you hear the former governor of River State and the minister of FCT, Wike, singing, you don't know what that means, right? If you give this side, you give this side. If you give left hand, you give right hand. So Nigeria has become a sharing formula. Now, either is the humanitarian minister, or I don't know who is in charge of all this school, feeding program. The person must have seen how someone like a minister embezzled money. He or she saw how senator embezzled money, and this is his or her own turn. I don't know who is in charge. So the person will say, this is my own turn to embezzle the money. They will embezzle. You can't talk, because if you talk, you say, you take your own, you take your own. That is what has destroyed Nigeria. If you give this side, you give this side. Now, maybe EFCC that's supposed to intervene. I don't know. I'm just giving an example. Maybe EFCC must have taken bribe not to arrest Yahya Bello again. Before they were running after him, shooting gun up. EFCC chairman said if he did not arrest him, do this, blah, 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 he will resign. They are in the court. We didn't see the end of the court. Something like that. I'm just giving an example. Now, maybe something like that must have happened. Then, EFCC chairman, if he want to arrest somebody, the person will say, what about that money? I have your receipt. So, what is killing Nigeria is the people who are in charge, who are even collecting money of ransom that the terrorists are bringing. If you want to talk, they'll say you imported them in 2015. These things are not laughing, stuff, but sometimes it makes me laugh. Every crime you want to commit in Nigeria, you must see someone who have committed the opposite crime, who's supposed to prosecute you. So this is a den of criminality. This is a den of evil strife, because everybody has been indicted. The traditional rulers have eaten where they are not supposed to eat. The imams, the pastors have eaten where they are not supposed to eat. You know what? They can't even challenge the government again. Because that road that they wanted to tie, the government gave the contract to the traditional ruler. He embezzled the money, so he don't even have what it takes to talk to government that, why have you not done this? They will tell him that EFCC will come and pick you. Shut up. That is how they have turned this country to. Now, tell me, how can a nation survive like this? With this Yendeba? There is no how this country will survive.
Transportation rivers. It was not supplied. Yes, it's correct. It was not supplied.
Wasn't it supplied?
It was not supplied, yes.
That's a crime.
Of Israel, it was not supplied. I will come to that. He gave him a Rolls Royce. He took the Rolls Royce. Whether you use the Rolls Royce, what's my business? Shehu, I have a Rolls Royce.
Who gave you?
So what? Nobody gave me a Rolls Royce.
You bought it?
Of course. So what?
With what money?
Oh, which money? So let me tell you. Femi, before Hamatan, there was cold. I didn't come from the same background with Rotimi Amechi. I didn't
were you rich before?
Not to me rich. I didn't come. As a student, I was in a Mercedes Benz. As a student, I was in a Mercedes Benz. My father was a general manager of so many companies.
So you came from a rich background?
I will not say too rich for the Dangotes. But I think I had a small background. Yes.
But Mr. Amechi challenged you.
No,
he said you have houses everywhere.
I'm
Where are these houses? The subject of your wealth.
I'm coming to that, sir. So that Nigerians will hear. I've not denied here. His anger, he saw that I used Rolls Royce. So what? It was not given to me by a contractor who was doing job with me. No. A contractor gave him. A contractor gave him. That was bribe. You took from a contractor. I will not do that.
Mr. Amechi said he's not corrupt.
No. One of the most corrupt people. I will come to that. And I will come.
Are you corrupt, Mr. Wike?
What do you mean the word corrupt? No court has found me guilty to be corrupt. When you say the word corrupt. But if you say, well, I like money, hold on. Nobody can do without money. You cannot say because I say, I need money to solve this, therefore I'm corrupt. No. I need money to pay my children's school fees. I need money to take my family's health care. Does that make it to be corrupt? No. But when a man comes in the public to say, I don't like money, you know that man is a big liar. Because he needs money to solve this problem, But I'm going to that. You talk about houses. I'm not a bushman. No, I'm not. I'm from Obiabo local government. Part of Padawa local government before. Well brought up. I have a family background. In fact, when you go to Ekwere Road, my father was one of few people who have duplexes in Ekwere Road. So you cannot say that. Not too rich, I agree. But you cannot say that. Not at the level Amechi came from. No. It's not comparable at all. Never. Now he said, I have houses. So, Amechi was speaker, 8 years. Amechi was speaker. I mean a governor, 8 years. Amechi was minister, 8 years. He don't have houses. He has a spiritual problem.
Because he said he's not like you people.
No.
Enrich yourself.
I will tell you, that's why people should learn. Nigerians should know the kind of characters deceiving Nigerians every day. Pretending. I will tell you his house in Gusape here, where I live. River State government built. You need a butter bunker to destroy the house. I will come to that.
Why would you want to destroy it?
No. What I'm trying to show, the quality. That's the point I'm trying to say. I'm not saying you should. No, I'm not saying that. What I'm saying that you can't be a poor man and have such a house. That's the point I'm trying to make. He told you, oh, he does not have this. Where is his house? In old GRA. Who built it? In old GRA. Ask him. I want to say that NPA and NIMASA, they don't pay contractors. Yes, he knows that because they have not paid his wife, who's a contractor in NPA and NIMASA.
At the moment?
At the moment, that's why he knew.
How do you know?
Oh, how would I know? He put the DJ NIMASA Dakuku, whom I defeated in 2015 governorship election. Then he took his boy, Coco, who was the account officer in Zenith Bank, and made him as the director of finance, and then put him as managing director. Therefore, he's not able to know when NPA and NIMASA do not pay. He knows that. Who owns those contracts he's talking about? The wife. It's unfortunate. I watch him. How can a man at that level talk this? You know, even we should give us some of this. You know, I feel so bad. In the name of God, I feel so bad. I should discuss a man's wife. I feel so bad.
But you disagree about his wealth?